Hi, I'm Rob of MadJack3Dprints.com, and I'm here with my first video of some of the 3D prints that I've made. The first piece that I made is Big Brother, Truth is Treason right here. I made this in August in ZBrush. Just basically layered some 3D prints inside this shadow box right here. Inspiration was basically me not liking the way Edward Snowden was being portrayed in the media as a traitor for telling us the truth about the government spying on us. And this is what it looks like up close. I also have a little Arduino board on the back of this with some animated LED lights with the help of Scott Vader from Vader Systems and the Buffalo Lab. This is what it looks like with the lights off. Alright, this one is another spin-off of Big Brother. A couple of the same models, but I added the skull monolith in there. Model that I made probably 8 years ago and just edited to get to print properly and fit in this box. The next project that I made was this guy named Gus right here. Alright, I made Gus here in about a half hour in ZBrush for a class I was teaching at the Buffalo Lab on the third Mondays of every month at the Foundry. I spent about another hour and came out with this version. It was pretty much the final version. I just added a few things in the next one. This is all ZBrush, and at most it took me an hour and a half. The final version, and this was up at the 464 gallery for the Monster 3.0 Halloween show. It came out pretty good. I just hand painted the 3D print with acrylics and had a friend build and mount Gus, and this is the final product. Okay, well, that's it for my first video here. I also have a site, MadJack Productions, which is my animation and video production service. See you guys soon.
Wow, wow.